Alright, what's going on here with the 3-boxer now? This was the eBay one. Team rundown real quick here. We have RLM Cart with the Bengals, Browns, Chargers, Jets, and Rams. K. Chapman Jr. with the Niners, Colts, Patriots, and Seahawks. Jim Jum with the Cowboys and Texans. Capsile with the Lions and Packers. Fragile Fruitin with the Ravens and Saints. Bill Turney with the Bears. 12 Maria with the Bills. Marquez CL Broncos. BBC with the Bucks. V. Saavedra with the Cardinals. Guarchief Chiefs. Light Now Dolphins. M. Dossman Eagles. Real Sleepy Falcons. Ryland Giants. D&J's with the Jags. Luigi Poe with the Panthers. Trip Shark with the Raiders. Monkey Finds with the Skins. Vivian Foy with the Steelers. UX32 Aaron Titans. And Vikings USA with the Vikings. So I got 3 boxes here. It's Inception, Certified, and Fleer Retro Mini Box. So for the Retro, it's all college uniforms. Whichever team they played the most with is the team that the cards will go to on that one. Go ahead and start with Certified, I guess. Okay, Chapman 2 on the 7. All right, thank you. Appreciate that. Here, let me run this real quick, and I'll go over it with you. It'll take a little bit for it to fill anyway, probably. So we'll have time. So there'll be 18 left on the 7-boxer. It's going to be all 2012. All right, this is 2012 Certified. Got 10 packs and 4 hits. Good luck, everybody. Pretzel, what's up? And 1 on the limited, no problem. I got 2 different limiteds going, either a third of a case of 2012 or 3 boxes each of 2011 and 12. So kind of filling those. I'll finish this break here, then we'll fill those. Focus on that. All right, good luck, everybody, and thanks for joining. For the Bills, Mario Williams, base. And JPP, base for the Giants. Michael Turner, red, mirror, Falcons. 95 at 250. Falcons. Thanks, Joe. Sounds good, man. Jay Cutler and LeGarrette Blunt. Base and base. Pack 2 on 2012 Certified. Ben Jarvis, base. Andre Johnson. Jermichael. Jared Mayo for the Pats is our first hit. Base of Chad Greenway and base of Vincent Jackson. Jared Mayo is 84 of 99. Going to the Patriots. And this one is a Ventworn. Jared Mayo a Ventworn? Strange. Patriots. This is our first hit from this break. And Jeff, I just got your PM, so sounds good. Thank you. All right, Jabbar Gaffney for the Pats. Reggie Wayne. Riley Reef, or Rife. 973 of 999. The Lions. Sam Bradford and D'Angelo Williams. And whatever pack we're on, I don't know. Laurent Robinson, Jags, base. D'Amico Ryans, Eagles, base. Colt McCoy, Browns, base. And good luck. Second hit. Jersey, we got gold team for the Niners, Frank Gore. Going to the Niners. Matt Flynn, Matt Ryan. So Gore is going to be number 82 of 99. Gore is game worn. Not sure why that Jared Mayo was event worn. He's not a rookie. Brady base. Carson Palmer base. Immortals Bobby Ingram for the Bears. Going to be numbered to 999. Going to be 671 of 999. Bobby Ingram, Immortals. Base Larry Fitzgerald and Drew Brees. H. Chat, congrats. Killing it. Rude King. The rest of the breaks, these ones are done on eBay. The thing about the eBay ones is I can list out the teams individually. The other ones that I do are all random. So the teams are figured out on random.org. So there's not really a guarantee that you would get the Bears. There's a good chance that whoever got them would be willing to trade, but absolutely no guarantee that you would have them. So if you're looking for a specific team, the random ones are probably not the way to go. Anquan Bolden, base. Santana Mouse. Mike Thomas, Jags. I think we might have another hit here. Alright, Randy Moss. Devin Hester. Mike Thomas. And third hit. Good luck, everybody. Looks like the Bills. TJ Graham. Certified rookie materials for the Bills. And that's going to be number 19 of 299. And being a rookie, that is event worn, of course. One of the Bills. It's got one hit left. Should be an autograph. Chapman had the Niners and the Pats. And 12 Maria has the Bills. Deshaun Jackson. Jackson, yes. The 11 and 12 is 3 boxes of each year on that one. Darrell Revis. Immortals for the Packers. Red Mirror. James Lofton. Number 231 and 250. Kellen Winslow, Jr. And AP. Three packs to go on certified. Steven Solik. And Jackson, yes, 2 teams on that one. 14 total spots. There will be 4 combo teams, so teams like the Falcons and Chiefs, for example, will count as 1 team. Steven Solik. Hayward Bay. Joe Flacco. Steve Smith, Panthers. Lance Kendricks. Flacco. And final hit from certified. Good luck, everybody. This should be an autograph. For the Giants. David Wilson, 2-piece. Rookie autograph, freshman fabric for the Giants. Nice hit there. And that is Rylan with the Giants. Congrats. David Wilson. Going to be 446 of 449. David Wilson there. 2 packs left on certified. I have yet to get a box of certified with more than 4 hits, so not expecting more. Maybe a good insert or 2 though. Antonio Gates, base. Fred Jackson, base. New Generation, Nick Perry, Packers, numbered 2, 999. So 32 and 999. Cam. And Marshawn. And Mr. Mecker, the 7-box. So the 7-boxer, it was the same as the 9-boxer actually. It's just got a few higher end boxes in it. It's 35 for 1 team, or I think 67 for 2. Okay, cool. And Jackson, alright, sounds good. Yeah, the limited will probably go tonight. So, haven't really started filling those too much, just got on a little bit ago. J-Craw, cool. I'll get back to you in a little bit here. Let me run this one off on, let me finish this one. I'll get back to you. Shady. Hardesty. New Generation, David DeCastro, blue for the Steelers. 67 of 100. Julio Jones and Kevin Kolb. So there's our 2012 certified. Nice David Wilson auto. Alright, so just a moment.